In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose and fine-tune fonts with the character panel and the context toolbar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to select your text, pick the right typeface and style, and refine spacing and other typographic details so your design looks polished and intentional. Start by selecting your text. If you're creating new text, choose the Artistic Text tool for headlines and short labels, or the Frame Text tool when you need paragraphs and body copy. If the text already exists, click the text layer to highlight it. Double-click the text to enter edit mode if you want to change specific characters, or simply select the text object itself if you plan to adjust the entire block. A good tip here is to make sure the correct layer is active in your Layers panel so the software knows which text to target. With the text selected, look to the Context toolbar at the top of your workspace. You'll see a Font Family dropdown. This is the fastest way to switch fonts. Hovering over options is a useful preview trick in many versions, letting you see the change before committing. If you want more precision and control, like spacing, kerning, and style details, open the Character panel. You'll typically find it under Window, then Text, then Character. If the wording in your version looks slightly different, it will be in the same general area. Now choose your font and style. In the Font Family dropdown, you'll see all installed fonts on your system. Pick the typeface that fits your project, then choose the style, such as regular, bold, or italic, either next to the Family menu or inside the Character panel. If you're working with a variable font, you may see font variations in the Character panel. These sliders let you fine-tune properties like weight and width, which is perfect when you need a look between standard styles. Next, adjust size and refine the typography. Use the font size field in the Context toolbar or the Character panel to set the size. In the Character panel, you can also fine-tune kerning or tracking to control the space between letters, apply baseline shift to nudge characters up or down for precise alignment, and use horizontal or vertical scale to stretch text when needed. Explore typographic features like OpenType options and ligatures to enhance readability and aesthetics, especially in professional typefaces that offer automatic character substitutions. As you work, keep your text selected so changes apply instantly, and zoom in to judge spacing accurately. Small, deliberate adjustments here make a big difference in the final result.